lang ng bag. Pero yung official music niya, like meron talagang intro. Sa concert, kasamang intro, ayun, pang-hype nga ng tao, mga ganun.
Pero depende naman siya sa interpretation. Isipin mo, yung room, hindi na makakataka sa room. Parang, dun pa lang meron lang may something. Pero, syempre, hindi mo siya ipapresent na ganun. Tapos, yung vibe nun, ibang-iba siya sa vibe ng lahat. To make myself alive, I see your eyes, they giving mine. Happens all the time. Then you tell me I can't get you out my mind. My oh my. Come and get it started, getting closer in the room. Pero sa napipil mo ba? To make myself alive. So, in-imagine ko na pumasok ka sa room as soon as I set foot and try to make myself alive. Pinakita mo yung sarili mo. I see all of your eyes. They glued in my.
It's very me.
They glued in my.
Pero okay ako dun sa idea no. I mean sa lyrics naman. That's ito for ma.
Can you read the room? Can you do? Can you read the room? Can you read the room?
Pero kung gusto mo yung chorus, pwede ko habaan yung pre-chorus. Para magiging hatid dyan.
Tapos siguro transition dito.